Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Miniconda on Windows. To install Miniconda, we first need to download it. To do this, go to a browser and type Miniconda download, press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Here under installer links, click on anaconda.com download link. This opens anaconda.com page. Here click on skip registration. So here you will see Anaconda distribution and Miniconda. Make sure that Windows is selected here, and under Miniconda, click on Windows 64-bit graphical installer link. Click save. So now the download of Miniconda has started. So the exe is around 94 MB. Wait for the download to complete. So the exe is downloaded now. Now we need to install it. So click on the Windows icon. This opens the exe in File Explorer. Double click on the exe. On the Setup wizard, click Next. For the license agreement, click I agree. Keep the installation type as Just Me recommended. So this will install Miniconda only for the current user account. And click on Next. Give the default location and click on Next. Here do not check the box Add installation to path variable. Check the box Register Miniconda as my default Python. Check the box Clear Package Cache upon completion. So this will clear the package cache once the installation is complete. And click on Install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the installation is complete. Click on Next. Uncheck these two boxes and click Finish. Next, we need to launch Miniconda. We can launch it from the Start menu. So press Windows key. And here you can see Anaconda Prompt, Anaconda PowerShell Prompt. So these were recently added. So click on Anaconda Prompt. This launches Miniconda. We can verify Miniconda installation using the command conda space -- version and press enter. So this displays Conda with the version number as output. So this confirms that Miniconda is installed successfully. Next, we need to update Conda. For this, type the command conda space update space -n space base space -c space defaults space conda. So this command will update Conda in the base environment. -n base is for the base environment via the default channels. So -c defaults is for the channel specification, which is the default channel. So type this command and press enter. Here we need to accept the terms. So press A and press enter. So each time you are asked to accept the terms of service, so type A and press enter. Type A and press enter. So now the update has started. Wait for it to complete. Now it is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. Now wait for the update to get completed. So now the Conda update is complete. Now we need to create an environment. So before creating an environment, we are in the base environment. Here we need to check the version of Python. Type the command Python space -- version and press enter. So this gives the Python version which is in the base environment. which is 3.13.12. So this is the Python which is in the base environment. So now we are going to create an environment. So to create an environment, type the command conda space create space -n space, give the name of the environment, which is I'll be giving it as my env. So -n is for the name of the environment parameter, space. We are also installing Python in this environment, which we are creating. So type Python equal to 3.11. So currently in the base environment, the Python version is 3.13. And now we are going to create an environment, my env, and we are going to install Python 3.11. So type this command entirely and press enter. So it is asking to proceed. So press Y and press enter. So the command is running now. Wait for it to complete. Okay, so now the command was successful and now the environment is created. So once we have created this environment, we need to activate it. For this, type the command conda space activate space the environment name. So my env and press enter. Okay, so now we have activated the environment and now we are in the my env environment. So from base, here you can see we have base here and now it is my env. So from base, we have switched to my env. Now type the command python space --version and press enter. So this gives Python with the version 3.11.15. So this was the Python version which we specified to be installed while creating the environment my-env. And outside this environment, in the base environment, the Python version is 3.13. Okay, so these are the commands to create an environment and to activate it. So now inside the environment, we can install packages. So to install package, the command is conda space install space. So here you can specify the packages that we want to install. So I'll specify the package numpy space pandas space matplotlib. So these are the three packages which I'll be installing: numpy, pandas, and matplotlib. So type this command and press enter. So this will now install the packages that we have specified inside the environment my-env. So it is asking to proceed. Press Y and press enter. So now the packages are installed. So now let us see how to deactivate the environment. So for this, type the command conda space deactivate and press enter. So this deactivates the current environment my-env and gets back to the base environment. So these are the steps we need to follow to install and set up Miniconda on Windows. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.